Personalizing your CitNOW video is more than just using the customer's name, although this is a great start. It's about making sure the content you present is relevant to the customer's needs and what they have inquired about.
So now we're inside the car having a good look. Of course, straight away you're going to bring to the sat-nav in the centre, giving you a good display for all around. As said earlier, with the reversing sensors, once you finish your journey and want to park up, as you'll see here, you get a nice picture and sound display of as soon as you start seeing anything cropping up. And there we are.
During this remote test drive, the video taker has pointed out the main features that were asked about and has shown them in full action. The reversing sensors were shown in use too, helping the customer understand the level of feedback they have. This altogether really helped the customer visualize the experience of owning the car and was put together based on the customer's initial inquiry. Tools and props are often a good way to add context. For example, using a laser pointer to show a certain part, or using a tyre gauge and showing the reading across the width of a tyre, then explaining how that compares to a new tyre and one that needs replacing. This helps a customer build confidence by helping them easily understand something that they may not have been aware of before and are more likely to trust recommendations you've made.
Also looking at your brake pads, this is what you use to measure your brake pads. Simply pop it on there and take a measurement off. It has worn to around 10 mils, so it's still in very good condition. I'll just show you a colour scheme on that. So this is what we use, starting at 2 mil here, all the way up to 12 mil just here. So yours are worn to around 10 mil, which is just there. And in comparison to the lowest depth, as you can see, you still have plenty of material left on your brake pads.
We really like the use of the various measurement tools to show the brake disc and pad thickness, which were put into context by explaining what the new and replacement levels are and how the customers compare to those, helping them understand better. Lewis also points to the ball joint boot, explaining what is being looked for and confirms that those defects aren't present and everything is in good working order. A good video will walk a customer through the functions, demonstrating them as you go. It's best to avoid the video becoming a list of jargon terms and reading off every single feature. Instead, take time to explain and demonstrate the practical application and its use.
The mileage on the vehicle, as you can see, it's 46,006 miles. You've got the lane keeping assist at the top of the vehicle there, and auto hold option, which is the park on there, and also the options on the front collision assist and the lane keeping assist and pedestrian alert on there as well. Going back, the service history, you've got full service history there, which is all up to date, not overdue, and everything's been done at BMW, which is also always good for your peace of mind that the car's been very well looked after.
A good clip there from Patrick, showing and reading off the mileage, which is always important as it helps verify the advertised mileage for the customer. From there, we can see an explanation of the service history, which is another good trust builder, and Patrick iterates this has been done through the dealer, highlighting that it's good to know the car has been in safe hands. We know that events are a key part of your sales strategy. Using CitNOW can be a great way to enhance communication and customer engagement.
Hi, my name's Andy. I am the General Sales Manager down at Birmingham Lancaster Land Rover. I'd like to introduce you to our team for this weekend and the following weekends with our referral event, and look forward to seeing you down here.
Hi, my name is Connor and I look forward to seeing you all at some of our great events.
You get the idea, an introduction to each member of the team to help make for a warmer visit during the event. Putting names to faces is always a great icebreaker and helps break down initial barriers. The video went on to show shots of the dealership and the vehicles to engage the customer before their event weekend. A good finish will include a quick recap, then explain what will happen next, helping set expectations. For example, if you're planning to call the customer, let them know when to expect a call, increasing the likelihood of a call being answered. Signpost the contact details on the webpage they have received the video on. In the case of the workshop, in most circumstances, the service advisor will follow up. Telling the customer this increases the likelihood of them taking the call.
Thanks again, sir. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, when you're ready to book your test drive, just give me a call, 0115 934 1414, or alternatively, just reply to this email. Hope you have a fantastic day. Looking forward to speaking to you soon. Bye-bye.
Excellent video here, and as the video ends with the presenter on camera mentioning a test drive and providing contact details for follow-up, both reading out the phone number and directing attention to where the email address can be found to help make contact as seamless as possible. The video finishes on a pleasant and positive note to help complete the good experience.